Hey everyone, let's take a look at this absolutely beautiful 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. This one is in the 401A package in the gorgeous carbonized gray metallic. Has all kinds of upgrades and features. Let's check it out together. Underneath the hood is the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost engine, all kinds of horsepower, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. That transmission helps you put all that power to pavement and has silky smooth shifts. Gives you great fuel efficiency as well. Then you have these fully automatic LED headlights up front. And when I say automatic, I mean set it and forget it, including auto high beams and LED fog lights to complement those. The front bumper is color matched and looks fantastic. And then you have all these touches of gold on the Tremor accents that look great as well. But not only looking good, those front tow hooks can help you pull your friend out of the ditch. You also have a block heater just peeking out behind that grille there. This vehicle does have a forward collision system with pedestrian detection as well, so if somebody stops in front of you last minute, you don't have time to put on the brakes, it's going to do that for you, saves lives and saves some money on insurance. The hood also has this aggressive look up top here. I do like that they've added that feature as it does give it a one-off look. Then these tires and rims are upgraded, so you have the dark clad aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in some nice General Grabber, basically a 33-inch tire. This vehicle does have an increased ride height over a regular F-150 as well, as you do have increased suspension up front and in the rear. You also have skid plates all underneath, and this particular one has an upgraded front differential. It is the Torsen differential, a little bit tougher diff than you usually get. F-150 Tremor badging on the side there, again looking great. And then your mirrors, the mirrors do have an LED signal light in them. They're a power heated mirror with a blind spot detection system, so that lights up when somebody gets in your blind spot. To get in or out of this truck, you can just put your code in here, not needing your key at all to get in or out for that. Or you can put your hand inside this door handle, sense the heat from your hand and unlock, or press this button with your thumb to lock the vehicle. You also have this key fob right here with unlock, lock, remote start, as well as power tailgate and alarm. You can also download the Ford Pass app and do that anywhere in the world for free from your cell phone. Thank you, Ford. Tinted windows off the back look fantastic. These running boards are Tremor exclusive. They are an extra grippy, powder coated, protected running board with little slots for mud and debris to be able to drop through. Love the running boards on the Tremor. Open up this back door and you get your first look into this gorgeous interior. I love all the accents for the stitching that have been done. This also has an upgraded 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen amplified stereo system. Got little pockets to put things in with cup holders. And then in the back, so much room in this crew cab configuration. Seats are upgraded as well with some wear and tear resistant side bezeling here. And then you've got this fabric in the middle, and this textile is done wonderfully. It's stain resistant, it's wear resistant, and the pattern looks fantastic. Lift this up and you have this totally flat floor that Ford is known so well for, all protected by an all-weather mat. You've got some increased storage back here as well. And then for your rear passengers, you have your cup holders, 12-volt power supply, inverted power supply, as well as USB-C power. We've got vents for air conditioning and for heating. And we've even got map pockets on the backs of both seats there. The box on this is the 5.5-foot short box, as all Tremors have. Again, upgraded suspension in the back there. And as we come to the back, you do have a color matched bumper which has sensors built right into it to help you back up. To go with that, there's a backup camera on the tailgate. We also have tow package with 4 and 7-pin connection for trailers, and we have recovery hooks right off the back. Again, if your friends get in trouble, you're ready to give them a pull. If we want to put this tailgate down, we can just press this twice and that tailgate's going to drop for us. Inside, it's been spray lined to protect the box. It also has tie downs which are removable and lockable. It's got LED lighting and inverted power supply. This has the upgraded tailgate step, which this comes out, as well as a handle comes up if you want it to. When you upgrade that, you also get the tailgate work surface, so we can put our screws here, pens, prop up our phone for how-to videos. We also have a measuring system here, which is really nice. You also get strap holders from either side of the box for longer items, and it duals as a bottle cap opener from the bottom. And then on either sides of the tailgate step, you have C-channel holders. What are those? Well, they're reinforced points to be able to clamp down on a piece of wood if you're doing any kind of woodwork, which is just great. Let's go to the front of the truck and check out some of those features. As I open up this driver's door, I always like to show the capacity stickers here. This gives you a little information. Then on the door itself, we've got our power locks, power mirrors, as well as our power windows, 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo system again. Nice pockets to put things, tons of cup holder spaces. The dash, I love the materials they've done on this. Lights underneath the mirrors, power tailgate, cargo lamp, set it and forget it headlights with fog lights, interior dimmer switches, and emergency brake. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, so if you unlock this, it goes in and out and up and down. Then you have these super comfortable captain's chairs. They are a 10-way adjustable heated Tremor seat. Love the bolstering that's been done, the Tremor embossed in there, fantastic. Let's climb inside. Now that we're inside the truck, we're going to go ahead and hit the start button. This is going to bring up the built Ford Tough digital display with a digital speedometer and a bunch of other readouts in there. On your steering wheel itself, we do have our cruise control, a lane detection system, volume controls for our stereo, and a voice recognition system. Again, just nice touches that the emblem's been blacked out here. Love, again, these features, this brushed aluminum look. And then on here, we've got controls for that digital display, stereo controls, as well as our phone controls. Up top, center speaker has been done, upgraded Bang & Olufsen. Nice spot to put things here too. We have this huge 12-inch screen display, which works amazing. Up top, some buttons, engine auto off, our backup camera button, and love that camera, so HD. And then turn that off, 4-way flashers. This is exclusive to just the Tremor, and this is trail control. Press this and you can actually set your cruise control at really low speeds with a 1-pedal drive system in 4 high or 4 low. Turn that off, we've got traction control, and then in this screen itself we have a hard-based navigation system, which you can make the whole screen if you want. You can actually connect this to Ford. If you do, it has traffic updates, weather updates, all kinds of things right from Ford. If you don't want to use this system, you can actually wirelessly connect your smartphone for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and all your apps and everything come up on this phone, your Spotify, your podcasts, your audiobooks, and if you want to use your GPS like your Waze or your Apple Maps or your Google Maps, you can use all those on there too, which I just love the integration for. Of course, it also has satellite radio, Bluetooth regular streaming capabilities, and all kinds of other listening capabilities. One of my favorites is if we push this features button down at the bottom. I love this zone lighting. What is zone lighting? Well, zone lighting basically turns this whole truck into a mobile light tower. We hit all zones. Now we've lit up the whole outside of the truck with LED lighting. We can pick which zones we want to light up. Great for the winter months or just darkness for camping or anything like that. Back in that features menu, you've got a bunch of other things like driver assistance and tow and your owner's manual, full digital with videos. But another Tremor exclusive is the trail turn assist. So this vehicle can actually turn really tight on a trail. It actually will drag the inside tires kind of like a skid steer does and let you turn around really quickly. Down below here we have volume controls for that stereo, dual climate control with my side and my passenger's side. Then we have our heated seat controls with 3 different levels. Nice fan switch here, which is easy to use. And then down here, a nice pocket to put things with a USB and USB-C connection for charging your phone. This is the shifter knob. Love a console shift, and the Tremor gives you that upgraded console shift. If you hit the M mode, you can go through all 10 speeds manually, or if we press the silver button right here, folds it right out of the way to get this area free. And this does have the upgraded work surface, which means this can fold out. We got a place to do paperwork or just have a snack from. This console also opens up from the bottom and has an upper and lower section with another couple more USB and USB-C attachments there for powering devices. Put this back up. Off to the side here, we have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. So this can actually steer your trailer for you backing up. And we have the trailer brake controller already built right in. We've got our 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low 4-wheel drive settings, locking rear differential, and drive modes. What are drive modes? Well, if we turn this dial, you'll see we can go from normal over to tow haul to eco or sport. And sport really increases your revs, your shift points, and just makes the exhaust a bit louder. I also love that it changes the color of the display pending the mode that you're in. And then if we go the other direction from normal, we go over to slippery, to deep snow and sand, to mud and ruts. Because this is a Tremor, you also get the rock crawl. It's going to shift it into 4 low. It's going to take off traction control. It's going to enable your locking rear diff, and it's really going to just change all the traction parameters for giving you the best possible traction for doing that style of driving. Then on the other side here, we do have a 12-volt power supply and another inverted power supply. That's 3 total. 2 glove boxes. This one, press the button here for, oh, that one's a little sticky right now. Sorry folks for the video, I must have that one stuck shut. Up top here, we do have an electrochromatic auto dimming mirror. We've got a couple of map lights, sunglasses holder, which is a small feature, but everybody loves having one of those. And again, Tremor exclusive auxiliary switches. So you can control lights, or if you want to put a winch or anything on the outside, you've got all these switches ready to go. You don't have to be running any wires through your firewall. That is this beautiful 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Thanks a lot for taking a look at this video with me. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, everyone.